Okay, this is the Ridgid stubby or subcompact 3/8 brushless impact wrench unboxing. This is the model R87207B, and this just came out. Has a 3 speeds, auto tightening mode, power up to 225 foot-pounds of breakaway torque for all the breakaway fans, brushless motor, LED light, all metal gears, has a friction ring. It's 18 volt. Okay. Let's open it up. Here is the operator's manual. All right. Here is the lifetime service agreement. Registration required. Here is the belt clip, or I guess you could hang it up on the wall. let's take a look at that. Comes with a little screw. We'll put that back for later. When I make a video how to install the belt clip. Like and subscribe. Here is the tool. I like that it's 18 volt. That I don't gotta go buy a 12 volt battery. Ooh, this is crazy. Unreal. This is sweet. Look at that. This thing looks like somebody used it, but I don't think so. These are brand new. Wow. This thing is cool. Look how it's tiny. I have size small hands. Man. It's freaking tiny. Amazing. This is supposed to put out 225 foot-pounds of torque. I don't know, it's amazing. Look how small that is. Let me get a battery. 1 second. Oh yeah. This is the smallest battery I have. Smokes. Has the you can't see it on camera, but this is just a cheap one LED light that is quite useless, but better than nothing. Even with the battery, it's tiny. Only thing, the battery is heavy, so. Wild. Okay, so that's auto mode, right? It's one. Okay. Two. Okay. Three. So, okay, so if you want full power, you keep it in 3 in reverse. Auto. I'm going to guess auto is it will loosen the fastener. Once it feels it's loosened, it will slow down so it doesn't fling the fastener off like the lug nut. Throw the lug nut off the stud. But we'll try it. So 1 in forward, reverse, 2 forward, reverse, 3 forward, reverse, and auto forward, reverse. Okay, so that's the Ridgid brushless subcompact 3/8 hog ring anvil, 3-speed LED lit 18-volt impact wrench. Unboxing.